Okay, so we're going to solve this last problem here, okay, subtraction problem. Again, we have our S wave and our P wave time. We're looking to find the difference. Okay, we have our seconds, minutes, and hours. We're going to look at our seconds first, and we notice that our seconds, we can't subtract 59 from 3. So we're going to come over to our minutes. We're going to borrow a minute here, so that turns to 1 minute. And then we're going to add that 60 seconds. So that minute, when it comes over to seconds, is 60 seconds. We're going to add that 60 over here, and this now becomes 63. Okay, now we can subtract the 59 from the 63, and we get 4. Okay, then we're going to take a look at our minutes. And our minutes, we have 1 minute on top. We have 59. We can't subtract 59 from 1. So we're going to look at our hour, and we're going to borrow an hour. That becomes a 7. Okay, that hour comes over to the minutes. We're going to add that 60 to here to get 61 minutes. Okay, now we can subtract 61 from 59. 2. We're going to look at our hours. So our time difference between the S wave and the P wave is going to be 2 minutes and 4 seconds.